How to reduce video size without losing quality. How to download Handbrake for Windows 10. How to install Handbrake video converter in computer. And if Handbrake not working, then how you can fix it. This video is all about reducing video large size without losing HD quality. This will help you to save huge time uploading videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you upload your videos. So please keep watching this video till end. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. This is me, Zain Ahmed from 𝐒𝐨𝐜𝐿𝐷 with Fun YouTube channel, back again with the new video. In this video, I will show you guys how to reduce video large size without losing HD quality. How to download Handbrake for Windows 10. How to install Handbrake video converter in computer. And if Handbrake video converter not working, then how you can fix it. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. We are going to reduce video size with Handbrake software. So first of all, let's see how we can download it.
Okay, open your internet browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Now write Handbrake. Open first link. Here it is. It is for Windows 10 and later. Just click on this button and it will start downloading. I already downloaded it before, but I want to show you guys step by step. That's why I deleted before one. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now let's install it. Select application file and right click. Click run as administrator. Click next, next, install. Let it check if you want to make a shortcut on desktop. Click finish. It has been installed. Now let's open it. This error message very common when you install first time. It's not a big problem. Let me explain. It's just saying we need to install .NET Desktop Runtime 6.0.1 64-bit. It's asking, would you like to download it now? Of course we want. Click yes. Save file location. That's it. Downloading has been started. If you didn't see automatic download option, then just click here to download it manually. It's 55 MB file which will take some time because my internet speed is little bit slow. I'm gonna forward this video to save you guys from waiting hassle. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now right click on the file, click run as administrator. Click install. Close. It's done. Now open Handbrake software. See, it's opening now. Click here to select video which has large file size. I want to reduce this video size. Let's check what the file size is right now. Right click and take properties. It's 190 MB. Let's reduce it with Handbrake. No need to change title, angle, range. Select video quality preset from here. Currently this is default, and that's good to me because that's total video resolution of my video before. If you have other high resolutions video, then here you will not lose video quality. Here you can select video format, MP4, fine for me. Here you will get detailed stuff. You can add dimensions and many more things from here. Now here you have to select location where you want to save low size video. Just click on start encoding. Here you can see it has been started. Once this green line filled, we will get reduced sized video. I'm going to forward this video again because it will take 3 to 5 minutes to get completed. Okay, it's completed. Now let's check it out. Right click and take properties. Look at this, file size is now 38 MB. That's very low as compared to 190 MB. Now let's check out video quality. It's perfect.
I hope you guys did like this informative how-to video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I'll definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.